So here we have a fridge that came out of a room that someone stayed in for months and now it's vacant. So took the fridge out because it was actually quite disgusting. It looks like, you know, meat spilled in there and the juice is dried up and all types of stuff. So first of all, I'm just going to go through it with an all-purpose cleaner. Give it a really good scrubbing. And this particular mini fridge actually has a freezer as well. So that's what the top part is. But all this is part of upkeeping, you know, vacation rentals, furnished apartments, room rentals, that type of thing. Sometimes people overlook it. Again, there's always something that needs upkeeping or maintaining. But a lot of people do like to have their own little mini fridge in their room. So, all right, it looks like we're making progress. There's still a little bit of juices stuck in the edges. I'm listening to music just to kind of entertain myself and make the time pass a little quicker. Still scrubbing with the all-purpose cleaner and water. But we're getting there. Alright, now I just have to wipe down the glass shelves, and I'll put those aside for now because what I like to do, you know, after someone uses the mini fridges is just make a solution of bleach and water, and that'll be the final wipe down just to sanitize everything before it is ready for the next guest to go back into the room if the guest so chooses that they want like the mini fridge and freezer. So that's what I'm doing here, is wiping it down with a solution of bleach and water. And then once that dries, I will put the shelves back in and it is ready for the next guest.